Good afternoon everybody, it's Sarah here and I have another little die make and take share tutorial assembly video for you today again. So today I am using the Carrot Bows big die set from KS Craft, and I've already made a couple, but I'll show you the dies. So I'll remove that out of the way. This is what you get. So you get the bow section of it here, and then you get the rabbit section. So you get the bunny shadow and the bunny bit for going, layering piece for on top, and then you get this for going round the bow, so that should be that side. You get a carrot, and you get the carrot layering piece which kind of fits in there. So here's what I made. So the first one is the little bunny carrot bow die, and I'll assemble one with you, one of each kind as we kind of go along. So I thought this was quite cute. I didn't use this bow because I already had bows made up, so I'm repurposing the bows that I'd already made up because it kind of went with what I was doing. So, but I will make this bow up later on and share that with you on another video probably. So that's a little bunny bow die with a little pom-pom tail. It's quite cute. I'll pop that there. And then the other one is the little bunny. It's kind of like a peep bunny. And it's just another repurposed bow with a little pom-pom on it. I did buy a load of pom-poms off AliExpress, and these ones are kind of quite cute because they're kind of pastel colours and it goes along with it okay. So let's get ahead with the assembly. I'm just going to move these dies off to the side. Now these bows that I made, I did have paw prints stuck on them. Resin and paw prints that I bought off Temu or Ali, I can't remember. And I've taken those off because we're going to put pom-poms in there. So let's make the rabbit one first. So because I'm using Rosie Studio paper and it's quite thin and flimsy, I did cut out a cardstock backer for it just to give it a bit of substance so that it's not as flexible and flimsy. So just chuck a little bit of glue in here. And pop that on. There we go. And then the next step for this is it needs to get that goes with that, that goes with that. I need a pom-pom for its tail. So I think we'll put a little pink one on. But I had to use, no I didn't, that was on the other one. So I've already got my hot glue gun heated up and ready to go. Just put the top back on my other glue. And it's just a case of popping a little bead of glue along. You can't see what I'm doing. Just pop that on there, and then we can put our little pom-pom on. Oh, I've got glue on my fingers. Really quick and simple to do. I'm going to be making some more of these tonight, I think, and I'll list some on my Etsy store for Easter. So there we go. That's as quick and easy as it is for these little bunny bows. They're really cute. You can put them on tags, you can put them on cards, and they lend themselves for most things. Okay, let's work on the carrot one. So, put the lid on that too quick. Let's get some glue on this one. Then we just want to pop that on top. There we go, and I've got my bow here ready. So what I did with that last one was, because there's quite a bit of a gap between, I didn't want to squish the rabbit's butt straight down and flatten the bow. So what I did was, I took a neutral colour, just a white one, a white pom-pom, and just added a spot of glue there and popped that on. And instead of using like a ton of foam adhesive, double-sided adhesive, that's going to give you what you need to be able to glue that straight on top. So what we need to do is get the glue gun again and pop a spot of hot glue there and just pop that onto the pom-pom that we've just glued down. And that gives you your dimension without having to try and judge layers and layers of double-sided foam adhesive to try and get the balance right. So I've gone ahead and already done a carrot here. And it's just a case of popping that on there. So I'm going to put another bit of hot glue onto there. And then, I thought I'd already got a wee pom-pom out for that. Clearly I didn't. Another spot of hot glue. And just pop that on top. And that's your carrots. Your carrot rabbit bow dies, or carrot bunny bow dies. So they're really cute. I did different colours carrots. I did dark with orange and light with the dark background there. And I also did another one over here, which is kind of a pastel-y one. It's kind of a light orange with a peachy colour at the back, although it doesn't kind of come through like that. And I just did olive coloured leaves, but I quite like the sparkle leaves. So that's our bunnies and our carrot bow dies. I hope you enjoyed that little video. And thank you so much for coming along and watching my videos and to my channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all soon with some more videos. So thank you once again for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.